that is, the research shows that adults who eat breakfast tend to be at a healthier weight than those who skip breakfast. And for children, students who go to school having eaten breakfast tend to perform better than students who don't eat breakfast. So, moral of the story, eat your breakfast. The first breakfast dish we'll be making is an instant chia pudding. We'll start with a half cup of almond milk, a half cup of plant-based yogurt, I'm using coconut yogurt, 4 tablespoons of chia seeds, a half teaspoon of vanilla extract, and some medjool dates. I'm using 4, but you can use more or fewer dates based on your preferred level of sweetness. Then we'll blend everything together in a high-speed blender until it's completely smooth and creamy. The blender does all the work, so you don't have to soak your chia seeds overnight in order to get that thick, creamy texture. I like to top my chia pudding with a mix of fruit, seeds, nuts, and superfoods. That gives me a healthy balance of complex carbs, protein, and healthy fats. Today I'm using blueberries, bananas, pumpkin seeds, and raw cacao nibs, and a little maple syrup at the end for some sweetness, but it's totally optional. Our next easy vegan breakfast recipe is a no-cook breakfast burrito. We'll start by dicing a medium-sized red bell pepper. I'm using about 1/4 of it. You can also use a green bell pepper if you prefer. Then we'll slice an avocado in half and use about half of it. We'll also slice 1/2 of a lime, and then we'll mince up some cilantro. I'm using 1 to 2 tablespoons. If you don't like cilantro, you can use parsley or omit it entirely. Then we'll add in a half cup of canned black beans, 1/3 of a cup of canned corn, and to that we'll add the diced red bell pepper. We'll also add a half avocado that's been diced. You can use more or less avocado depending on your nutritional needs. We'll add the juice of half of a lime and some extra virgin olive oil to hold everything together. We'll finish it with the cilantro as well as some freshly cracked black pepper and some sea salt. Once we've mixed the black bean mixture together, we'll start filling our tortillas to make burritos. I'm using whole grain tortillas, but you can use any tortillas that you like. I like to microwave or heat my tortillas up in a skillet for about 10 to 20 seconds. It makes them a little softer and easier to roll in a burrito. Our last 5-minute vegan breakfast recipe are hummus avocado boats. We'll slice an avocado in half, remove the pit, and then stuff the cavity with our toppings. Just make sure you exercise caution when removing the pit. Then we'll scoop in some hummus into our avocado boats. I'm using jalapeno hummus, but you should use whichever flavor you like best. We'll top it with some canned chickpeas that I've rinsed and drained, as well as some edamame, and both of those add protein to help keep you full in the morning. We'll finish it off with some chopped kale to get in some greens, as well as some tahini to add extra healthy fats and flavor. If you enjoyed these easy vegan breakfast ideas, I hope you'll hit that thumbs up button as well as subscribe. I'll see you guys next week with a brand new